All right, what are we going to make for dinner? It's snowing outside. I don't want to go to the grocery store. Let's see. How about some beef stew? That actually sounds pretty good. Check this out. Ingredients: diced beef. Freeze dried wholesalers, folks. Let's get to some beef stew. All right, so we got our freeze dried beef stew cubes. These are uncooked, folks. Check this out. I'll dump them all out here. And all you got to do, these are uncooked, these are freeze dried, is rehydrate them. Just wanted to show you what you're looking at. This is real beef, folks. Take these out. Real meat, no weird additives. Look at that, folks. Beef stew cubes, freeze dried. So as far as rehydrating them, you're just going to add water, folks, or you could steam them. But in this case, I'm making a stew with the beef. So I just added a bunch of water, as much water as I want for the stew, which this happens to be like 2 cups. But as far as rehydrating, you could steam it, add just a little bit of water in it, let it sit. And it's that simple, folks. You can make a meal very quick and simple, just like we are today. Pull something out of the cabinet, and here you go. And we're going to be using these Dutch Blues. Got some carrots over here, and this is just water, folks. That's all it is. I haven't added anything. We're going to add some bouillon cubes here, better than bouillon. So I'm just going to let this rehydrate for maybe 10 to 15 minutes till I get a nice consistency of that meat, and that'll be it, folks. I'm adding some of that better than bouillon, about a tablespoon and a half, and I'm definitely going to add some more water there. Doing this one-handed, folks. It's a disaster in the kitchen. The dogs are sitting here just waiting for me to drop everything. So, got the carrots. And we got the Dutch Blues. Oh, this smells good already. And if you've never tried that broth, better than bouillon, oh man, that's good. It's got a lot of flavor in it, folks. And there's some new spoons since I dropped that one on the floor. And the meat is really lean, folks. I wanted to mention before, for the freeze drying process, you can't have a lot of fat in there. So whenever you're buying meat from freeze dried wholesalers, you're getting just pure meat, no fat. It's no gristle, nothing like that. It's just pure meat. Oh man, that looks really good. Look at that. Yeah, definitely have to add some more water. But folks, it's that simple with freeze dried wholesalers. Just open up the bag, rehydrate it however you like, and within minutes, you could have a good, healthy meal that your family's going to enjoy. And then during an emergency, shit hits the fan situation, a power outage, even better, folks. Less energy, less time, super simple. And you don't want to be eating out of a bag. You want a good quality meal. I mean, look at that. That came out, most of that, the meat came out of the freaking cabinet that's been sitting there for a couple of years already. Yeah. If I fed that to anybody, they'd be like, well, that's, fresh from the supermarket. So, folks, if I was you, I'd go check out Freeze Dried Wholesalers. You get 15% off all orders with our promo code, folks. 15% off. Southwest Prepper, all one word. Free shipping. Folks, get to ordering. 2025 is looking rough. I would definitely stock up on some real good quality food.